Step-by-step guide to investing in a Gold IRA for federal employees. Securing your retirement is essential, especially for federal employees. A Gold IRA allows you to diversify your savings with physical gold, protecting your wealth from inflation and economic uncertainty. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you invest wisely. 1. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. A custodian manages your Gold IRA and ensures compliance with IRS rules. Check reputation and compliance, research customer reviews and verify accreditation with the Better Business Bureau, BBB, or Business Consumer Alliance, BCA. Compare fees, review setup fees, storage costs, and annual charges. Choose a custodian with transparent pricing. Confirm storage options, ensure they provide IRS-approved storage, preferably segregated, to keep your gold separate from other investors. Assess customer support, look for a custodian that offers expert guidance and responsive service. 2. Open your Gold IRA. Once you select a custodian, you need to open your account. Choose the right type, pick between a traditional, Roth, or SEP Gold IRA, depending on your tax situation. Complete the application, provide your personal details, employment information, and beneficiary designation. Submit documentation, include your government ID, proof of employment, and retirement account details. Activate your account. Once approved, you'll receive login credentials to manage your IRA online. 3. Fund your Gold IRA. You can fund your Gold IRA through a rollover, transfer, or direct contribution. Rollover from TSP, Thrift Savings Plan. Federal employees can roll over funds from their TSP account into a Gold IRA. Ensure you follow IRS guidelines to avoid penalties. Transfer from an IRA or 401k. If you have other retirement accounts, request a custodian-to-custodian transfer for a tax-free and smooth process. Direct contributions. Contribute within IRS limits, $6,500 if under 50, $7,500 if 50 or older in 2024. 4. Purchase IRS-approved gold. Work with your custodian to buy gold that meets IRS purity standards, 99.5% for bullion. Common choices include American Gold Eagles and Canadian Gold Maple Leafs. Investing in a Gold IRA helps federal employees protect their retirement savings from market fluctuations. By choosing a reliable custodian, setting up a compliant account, and funding it correctly, you can strengthen your financial future with a stable, inflation-resistant asset. Get started today by consulting a trusted financial advisor to align your Gold IRA investment with your retirement goals. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.